Hi, soon to be Civil Service Exam Passer. Ako po si Noemi Cantoria. Passer din po ako ng Civil Service Exam, both professional and sub-professional level. And nakatulong po sa akin ang book na ito. Ang meron po ako back then ay ang first edition po dahil 2019 po ako nung nag-take ng exam. So this time around, meron po silang version for 2026 na exam and this is the 4th edition already. So sa video na to, i-share ko sa iyo ang 5 benefits, top 5 benefits na meron sa book na ito. And yes, if you're interested, make sure to watch the video until the end. And syempre, huwag mong kalimutang tingnan at alamin or gawin yung number 1 dahil so far ito yung pinaka the best na update na meron sila. So yes, stay tuned and let's begin. Ang number 1 na pinakamagandang naging update ng book na ito ay ang pagkakaroon po nila ng free CSE online review. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangang magbayad sa isang review center na usually 5,000 to 10,000 or more pa ang range kapag ka magre-review pa sa kanila. For them, kapag ka bumili ka ng book na ito from our shop or sa kanilang shop mismo, then you will get this small parang leaflet siya. Dito, may nakalagay na free online CSE review. So, pwede kang mag-join sa kanilang live sessions via Facebook group and YouTube Live. Merong mga free practice exercises, lifetime access to recorded videos. Meron din silang free mock exam and final coaching. And syempre, meron din comprehensive discussion of CSE topics with Brainbox review author. So kung sino yung nagsulat ng book na ito, ay nako, makikita nyo sila sa live sessions na tinuturuan talaga kayo. And of course, the topics included ay yung mga topics na lumalabas sa exam. For me, ito yung pinaka-the best na update nila. Back in 2019, wala pa silang ganito. So sariling sikap talaga. Kung ano yung meron sa libro, yun lang yung aaralin mo. Pero for now, meron na silang additional guides. So sobrang competitive ng author ng book na ito. And I believe there are thousands na talaga na pumasa using yung pag-join sa mga live sessions. So, make sure to use this leaflet. Kailangan mo lang i-scan ito or visit their Facebook pages then or Facebook pages, yes, for more info. Yun yung biggest benefit for me. And yes, if you are someone na mas natututo ka kung may kasama kang nag-aaral or visual type of person ka, then I highly recommend for you to join the CSE online review para syempre ma-maximize mo na rin yung binayad mo sa book na ito. Right, so the second benefit of this book is that it has 416 pages po. So, sobrang kapal po ng book na ito. And kung i-divide po natin siya sa amount nito or sa price nito, which is 699 pesos, divided by 416 pages, it would only equal to less than 2 pesos or 1 peso and 68 cents only. So imagine, for that amount of money, you will already have a huge chance of passing the exam. So for me, this is one of the best investments din talaga. So if you think about it, sasabihin mo, ay, it's almost 1,000 pesos. Pero kung iisipin mo yung magiging balik sa iyo niyan kapag nakapasa ka na, aba, siguro mga 20 to 100 times more pa, di ba? Number 3 benefit, which I super duper like kahit noon pa, is that it covers everything. So it has verbal ability, clerical ability, general information, numerical ability, and syempre yung analytical ability. So pwede po ito sa professional level and sa sub-professional level. So, di ba, saan ka pa? Yung iba kasing reviewers ay may kulang. Let's say, walang clerical, walang analytical ability and such. So, this is one of the best books na nakita ko talaga so far sa market. There are so many books out there, pero for me, itong book na to pa rin talaga yung nag-stand out. Benefit number 4, this is first-time taker friendly. So kung isa ka sa mga first-time mag-take ng civil service exam for next year or next year pa man din yan, then this book is good for you. I highly recommend this kasi merong part ang book na ito kung saan i-share sa iyo ang Examiner's Guide in Taking the Civil Service Examination Pen and Paper Test. So, lahat ng mga kailangan mong malaman before examination day, on the examination day, like during the exam, after the exam, important reminders, yung release ng results, proper shading and all, kompleto po yan siya. So, super duper ganda rin. And also, since first time mo nga, it also comes with free answer sheet. So, hindi lang nagpo-focus yung camera ng phone ko, but it has, um, ituturo din sa'yo yung proper shading. Though dito sa book, meron din ways to shade properly, examine yung number, tapos meron siyang numbers from 1 to 200. So, kung gusto mo mag-mag exam, mock test, then pwede mong gamitin ito. So, 'di ba? Sobrang perfect ng book nito. So, pinag-isipan talaga nila, no? And number 5 benefit, last but not the least, is syempre i-appreciate natin ang aesthetic ng book na ito. As you can see, ang ganda ng kulay niya. Nakakainis yung book, yung hindi yung book, yung camera ko, ayan yung mag-focus. So, ayun, ang ganda lang ng cover, ang linis tingnan, ka-vibe niya yung kulay ng Civil Service Commission, di ba? Kulay blue din sila. And, appealing siya for me, no? Maganda siya. So, yun. Super worth it bilhin. So, if you're interested to buy one, make sure to check the link in the description box below. And also, meron din po akong tawag dito, affiliate link. I get like 1 peso for every purchase, I guess, ng book na ito. So, di ba, tulong nyo na rin sa akin for, sharing with you the good news and also the benefits. So, yeah, I hope meron kayo natutunan. If meron, make sure to like the video, share this video to someone na mag-take ng exam, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll talk to you next time. Bye!